Hi, I'm Ben, and today we're going to be installing Selector's DECKfon 26T acoustic overlay boards, which are specifically designed for conversion and refurbishment projects. The products can be laid on a new or existing structural floor. 17T and 30T are also available. All three treatments are installed in the same way. Should you have a project where there isn't a structural floor deck, Selector offers DECKfon 37T and Quattro 39, which we'll take a look at later. Installation details for the range can be found at selector.co.uk. Now, let's get into what equipment and products you'll need. To install this system correctly, you'll need the following components: the DECKfon 26T, Selector Fon adhesive for gluing the joints, Selector Yellowfon FS30 perimeter flanking strip. You'll also need the following tools: tape measure and pencil, hand or circular saw, plastic packers, and a sharp knife. You should also have appropriate PPE, including safety glasses, ear protection, a hard hat, high vis, builder's gloves, and a well-fitted FFP2 face mask. Now we have all the necessary kit, let's install the product. Before you get started, make sure any loose floorboards are secured and debris free. Measure the room's width and breadth. Trim the board to ensure no board is less than 200mm. Starting in the far left-hand corner of the room, install the first DECKfon 26T board with the tongues facing the walls. Install packing shims around the walls to create a 6 to 8mm gap. Run a bead of Selector Fon adhesive along the short edge of the next 26T and interlock into the first board. Ensure the joints are flush and there are no gaps between the boards. Continue laying boards across the floor. Cut the last board to suit and use the offcut to start the next row. Apply a bead of Fon adhesive along the long edge of the next board and continue installing the boards in a brick bond fashion, ensuring all boards are glued and tightly interlocked. A 10mm expansion gap should be incorporated into floors longer than 10 meters, such as a corridor. To stop flanking transmission, once the floor is completely covered, remove the packing shims and insert the FS30 around the floor's perimeter. Install the skirting board on top of the flanking strip and trim off any excess with a sharp knife. You can now lay the floor finish. Now you've seen the installation of DECKfon 26T, I wanted to just go through the other products in the DECKfon range. There are 5 DECKfon acoustic floorboard products: DECKfon 17T, 26T, and 30T are composite overlay treatments to improve the acoustic performance on an existing structural timber decked floor. All 3 are installed in the same way as the DECKfon 26T. The other 2 DECKfon floorboards, 37T and Quattro 39, are structural acoustic floorboards designed to be laid directly on the joists. DECKfon 37T is suitable for applications where a new ceiling treatment is to be installed. DECKfon Quattro 39 is for projects where the existing ceiling is retained and comprises 4 layers to provide enhanced soundproofing performance. As you saw during the installation, the complete range of DECKfon overlay boards are installed by interlocking the tongue and groove edge of the chosen acoustic overlay. However, as Quattro 39 and 37T are direct to joist applications, it's important that the short edge of the board is installed on a joist, as I've demonstrated here. The Quattro 39 must be free floating on the joists and again is installed in a brick bond pattern. Never secure the boards to the joists or the surrounding structure. As with the 26T board, pack the Quattro 39 with 10mm shims around the perimeter and bond all joints using Fon adhesive. Once the Quattro 39 is fully installed, remove the shims and fit Yellowfon ES5100 before sitting the skirting board on it. Secure the skirting in place with appropriate fixings or adhesive. Any excess ES5100 can be trimmed off with a sharp knife and the gap dressed with a mastic if required. You'll now be able to effectively install DECKfon Quattro 39 or 37T and ensure the floor delivers excellent acoustic performance. Thank you for watching. Make sure to check out our other Selector install videos for more tips and advice. If you'd like to get in contact with us, call the Selector technical team on 01634 296 677.